Hello! Fresh herbs for cooking is always a delight. Today, let's prep and store these herbs to make cooking hassle-free. Let's start with green chilies. Wash the green chilies and pat them dry with a kitchen cloth. Gently remove the stems and store it in a box lined with paper. This is a great way to have fresh mint or pudina leaves for a week. To store them for up to a month, sun dry them, grind them in the mixture and store it in an airtight container. Curry leaves can be stored the same way as green chilies for up to a month. Storing coriander can be tricky as we need to dry them thoroughly before storing. Hence, I used a salad spinner to dry them. Alternately, you can also air dry them, but not a single leaf should be wet, otherwise the coriander may rot. All set to be stored in the fridge. Yay! Next episode, Shravan special Patolya. Till then, eat healthy and stay fit. Namaste.